Whoa! Why is the mountain glowing? Is the mountain getting a fever? Let's discover the amazing volcano secret. A volcano is an opening in Earth's surface. Something is hiding inside. Let's look deeper. Deep inside Earth is incredibly hot. The rocks are melting! Exactly. Underground, it's called magma. Outside, that's called lava.
Ah! Lava! Hi there!
The magma keeps pushing upward. It wants to escape. Pressure keeps building. It's erupting! The pressure became too strong. Wow! Wow! Lava is melted rock. Huh? It's moving slowly. But it's super hot. Volcanoes also release ash. It looks like gray snow. But it's volcanic ash. When lava cools, it becomes rock! Great job! Some volcanoes are underwater. That's amazing! Even oceans have volcanoes. Earth has thousands of volcanoes. That's incredible! Science is awesome!
Is it sleeping?
Yes! That's called a dormant volcano.
So cute!
Never go near an active volcano. Stay safe. Safe! Scientists use special equipment. Magma builds pressure. Then, boom! Volcanoes erupt! Today we discovered why volcanoes erupt. See you on our next science adventure. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science.